On WhatsApp, there is an About section. Sometimes you may have added something in the About section, but others will say that they are not able to see this About section. If you are facing this problem and you want to set your About section on WhatsApp so that everyone can see it, you can do that. In this video, we will tell you how to do that. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots and here you can see the settings option. Click on settings. When you click on that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo and here you can see the About option. Click on About. When you click on that, here you can see your About section. If you want to edit it, you can do that. And under that, you can see visible in chats too, and next to that you can see something like this. In my case it is nobody, that means no one will be able to see this. If you want everyone to see this, click on nobody and when you click on that, here you can see the everyone option. Click on everyone. And after that, go back and here you can see the tick button. Click on this tick button. When you click on that, the settings will be saved. After this, everyone will be able to see your About section on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.